How's it going, guys? It's Clinton, and welcome to the Only Profits Academy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a trade I'm currently holding on GBPJPY, and as you can see, close to 140 pips in profits. And this trade was a 9 pip stop loss trade, sent out to the membership area, obviously, and sniper entry also, as you can see. So what I'm going to do right now is just going to go ahead and close this trade. Because the market is showing me something. Like I always say, the market is dynamic. You just have to be able to listen to it and or probably just observe it and understand what it is doing. So with that being said, you can see the trade was a sniper entry. Although I'm just going to go ahead and close the trade right now. There we go. I'm just going to lock in $2,600. And yeah, I'm just going to stretch out my account history a bit so you guys can see the consistency I have been able to achieve trading the Forex market. And yeah, there we go. Consistency. And as you can see, this account was it started from $500, and I have made withdrawals of over $23,000 so far from a $500 account. And what does this teach you, or what do you learn from this? The amount of capital you have is not an excuse. I have literally made over $23,000 from a $500 account, and I am still trading it with over $4,000 of the market's money that I am just playing with. And yeah, quick analysis on the GBPJPY, why I got into the trade. We've been in a sell trend for a bit, a very gorgeous sell trend, but my system showed me a perfect entry to take a long trade, and all I had to do was just follow the market's profits, like I just did right in front of you guys. And someone from my trade copy, I made over $20,000 from this trade alone today. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to attach an email, a review rather, of a student in New York that made over $4,000 from one of the trades I sent out today. And what is this channel about? This channel is about showing traders that with time, effort, persistence, and consistency, you can achieve anything and reach any goal trading the Forex market. And once you really understand, like I always say, the market is dynamic. And once you have the mental and the technical and capacity to adapt to any given market environment, you'll be able to make money for the rest of your life. And this is something that I can teach my children. This is something that I can show anybody. And if they apply it properly, they can become the best versions of themselves as far as trading is concerned. And this took time, this took effort, this took consistency. So if you want to buy the course, you can visit the website. If you want to have access to my analysis, or you want to copy my trades and leave the market with profits with myself and the team, yeah, you can send me a message and I'll get back to you. And this is a beautiful trade. I actually have a broker right now that's giving 10% on your deposit. So you can reach out to me and I'll send you the link for the broker. Yeah, pretty much everything looks good. Left the market with profits. Another day, different day, same thing. Consistency, and yeah, pretty much that'll be it. And go ahead and like and subscribe so you can get to see more videos like this and actually understand that making money trading the Forex market is actually easy. Clinton signing out, and have a nice